Okay, so today I'm filming the end of May. It's in rainy season, so obviously it's rained. I'm at the Waters Hotel in Khao Lak, so I'm just going to do a little walking tour just to give you some idea of what the accommodation's like and the facilities. Okay, so just entering reception area. Nice open air, very bright. Morning! Lovely staff here. Can't do enough for you. Absolutely fantastic. And you get lots of brollies for the rain. Okay. So this is our main pool area. There's plenty of shade here for this when it's sunny with the palm trees, which is quite nice. The water isn't deep at any point really. You can stand up. We have a swim up bar and a little food and drinks area. Snack bar. There is a happy hour. You can buy wine and food here. I'll just give you a quick idea. And for food, and they offer cocktails, beers. When it's not raining, it's just quite a lovely place just to sit down and chill. I've not tried the cocktails, so I can't give you any information on those, but here are some prices and what they offer. And I say there is a happy hour. I'm not quite sure what time it is. I think it's in about 5 o'clock-ish. Okay, so there are a couple of different types of rooms. There is the swim up pools. Sorry, the swim up rooms, I think they call them. There's water everywhere here, so obviously Waters is quite an apt name for it. More shady area for drinks and snacks during the course of the day. Massage area. As you can see, the hotel is kind of divided into the top rooms have stairs going down to the pool. The bottom rooms have direct pool access. Give you some idea. The gardens are quite pleasant here as well. I think the gardens are quite well kept, to be honest. And again, you can lounge around. I'll just take you over this little bridge area. As I say, unfortunately, the weather's not been great since we've been here. It's rain, but we're kind of into rainy season now, so it is expected. Still very warm though, still well in the 30s. Plenty of palm trees to keep the shade. It's cool off when it gets warmer. All the rooms seem to be separated by these little pools along the side of the along the side of the rooms. And we'll spin round. That brings you back to the main pool area. There are plenty of sun lounges here. Sun lounges are really good quality actually. Very comfortable. And yet again, another little area of rooms with swim up pools at the bottom. That's the main view of the main pool area. Give you an idea of the size. And we've got these little areas here where you can actually put your sun lounger, as you can see over there, I think, in the distance. So someone's put their sun lounger there, which are quite nice when it's nice and sunny. Okay, I'll just walk you over to where the restaurant area is at the front of the building. Okay, there are rooms over here as well. Slightly off the beach here. It's about 4 or 5 minute walk to the beach, and then you've got the night market, which is pretty much directly behind the hotel, which is really convenient. So there's plenty of restaurants and loads of stalls and shops to keep you busy. Loads of seating area here, so obviously when the sun is out this gets quite busy. It is low season at the moment, but here we go. Give you an idea. Drinks list, happy hours. Special offer of the month. More promotional drinks. And pizza menu. So this corridor leads you down to where breakfast area is and the restaurant in the evening. Breakfast is quite nice. Lots of freshly made fruit juices and eggs, and stacker is great. We'll do anything for you. So, egg station. So they'll cook you a freshly made omelette or scrambled eggs, anything you need. The coffee machines are really good quality coffee machines, to be honest. Not your normal rubbish ones that you tend to find in these places. So thumbs up for the coffee machines. So it's quite a bright little area for breakfast in the morning. And then outdoor seating area. As you can see, the tables are wet through. But there you go. So that's a quick walking tour. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It all helps. And that is the Waters in Khao Lak, May 2024. Okay, I'll leave it with you. Hope you enjoyed the tour.